Hello viewers, this video is going to be helpful for those users who want to update to the latest version of Ipados 26.5.2. I have updated to the latest version a couple of days ago, and today in this video I will give you insights about the battery and many other things. But before that, let me show you the version that I am using right now. This is actually a security update that I got. And talking about the battery life, as you can see here, I have charged my device on, as you can see, Wednesday, and today is Thursday, and yesterday I got around 2 hours and 55 minutes, and the charging was towards the middle of Wednesday, so I got around 1.5 hours on Wednesday, and after that I got around 5 hours and 8 minutes today. So it means that I have already got 6 hours and 30 minutes, and yet 36% battery is left. And today I have used it mostly on Chrome, and actually I used a heavy website, a editing website. Okay, so in that case a lot of battery consumes, yet I got around 6 hours and 30 minutes, so I think the battery life has improved a lot. The next thing is that there is no hiccups or lag. In my previous updates I saw that the screen freezes sometimes, and whenever I switched on and switched off and switched on, at that time the screen freezing issue resolves. But in this update I did not encounter such problems as of now, so I think this problem has been resolved in this update. Also, you can multitask, you can open too many apps in the background and it will not cause any problem. So multitasking and switching between apps is smooth enough. Content watching experience on iPad is very good. You can see that it can play 4K 60 FPS footage. Let me show you. And there will be no problem. Under good Wi-Fi condition, you can definitely enjoy multimedia contents in 4K. So finally, in the conclusion, should you update to the latest version of Ipados 26.5.2? I think yes, there is no problem in this update. I did not find any issue, and you can definitely update to the latest version. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment sections below if you have already updated to the latest version or not, and if you are getting any kind of issue on your latest update, feel free to ask me if you have any questions. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.